All right, so we purchased our ticket for the Coliseum online, and then when we got to the Coliseum line, they give you like a certain queue to go in to pick up your ticket. So easy. Sir, thank you.
This is the ticket for photos.
When you think of Rome, you're gonna think of the Colosseum. It's kind of just this iconic place that you have to go. If you come to Rome, you have to come to the Colosseum. 18 euros to get in. We definitely recommend buying your ticket online in advance, that way you don't have to wait in that long line. And if you can print it at home, there's virtually no line. But we did not travel with a printer for our vacation. I don't know if you travel with a printer, so if you wanna go out of your way and find a way to print it, you'll save some time. But if you just have the ticket already purchased on your phone, you'll also save time at will call.
Our tickets gave us a specific time slot, so you need to come during your time slot time because they limit to 3,000 people per time frame. And there was a lady that tried to get in earlier, but her ticket was for 11 o'clock, so they denied her. So make sure that if you do purchase your ticket, get it for your time slot and show up on time.
So this Colosseum was finished construction in the year 80, like 80, so it's very, very old. They used it for, as you know, gladiator battles mostly, and also like reenacting naval battles. They would actually flood the entire Colosseum and do like these naval battles. So it was also used for like public announcements and executions and things like that, but mostly gladiator battles, naval battles, and it would hold on average 65,000 people. How cool is that? Super cool. Just so you know, it used to be covered in like really brilliant white marble. You can still see remnants of that in there. Can you just imagine how amazingly beautiful it would have been? This whole thing just gleaming white while people are down there stabbing each other for fun? For your entertainment? Wow. Now we're gonna go check out the Roman Forum and we'll explain what it is when we get there. But it's included in our ticket. If you got an $18 ticket, you can go see the Roman Forum. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Like, sir, that is an old Roman urinal. Please don't do that. Your ticket to the Roman Forum should be included with your Colosseum ticket if you got like a package deal ticket. I don't see why you wouldn't, because it's really cool to walk through and see kind of where the pulse, the heartbeat of the Roman Empire was. By Roman Forum, all it means is giant like square plaza. They had government buildings, private homes if you were super rich and hoity-toity, and then a lot of temples to the Roman gods and whatnot. And it's changed over the years, so it's all built on top of each other. I think it's all discombobulated, but it's just pretty cool to walk around. And yeah, you should definitely come see it.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door.
So we can either go to the Trevi Fountain and the Spanish Steps now, or we can go back and get your battery and then push on from there, since it's not too far.
See, I finally opened up my eyes.